We want to get back now to that water main mess impacting a very busy street in Studio City.
NBC4's Tracey Leong is live near the water main break right now. It's flooding the area. Tracey, you're also getting splashed out there.
Yeah, it's difficult to stay dry. I feel so bad for my photographer, Chad Graves. He's soaked right now because cars are trying to drive through Coldwater Canyon, and you can take a look. The water is coming off on both sides of the street, so cars are having to drive in the middle, but some of these cars are choosing to drive closer to the edge, and that's how we're getting splashed right now. An officer is over here. We just heard him on the loudspeaker. He's calling out to people he believes live in this apartment complex. He's telling them he wants, whoa, okay, sorry, we just got splashed right now. He wants them to move their cars because you can see that that water is just coming up right now. It does not appear that the water has been turned off. It is flowing in both directions, and you can see the water is up to the middle of the tires on that black BMW. So the officer right here, the LAPD officer, is calling out. He's asking people to move their cars because we know that once that water gets in there, it can do some serious damage to these vehicles. We don't know, Jonathan and Kathy, what caused this. We just know at around 3 o'clock this water main break was reported, and cars have continued to drive through. Officials, they have closed down that lane on the right, so everyone is being pushed over to the left of Coldwater Canyon right now. Cars are moving slowly, so if you do need to get into this area, we're noticing a little bit of a backup, so there's going to be traffic on either direction. It would probably be advised to not use this street right now, but this is just the situation. You can see, I think they're trying to turn off the water at this point, but the LAPD officer, he's calling to the people who live here, and he wants them to remove their cars because they're parked right there, and their cars are, the water is filling up very quickly. But that's the very latest. We are still working to find out what caused this and when this will get shut off. Reporting live in Studio City, Tracey Leong, NBC4 News.
It is a mess out there. So thank you, Tracey. We're going to continue to track that. We'll have the very latest information coming up.